Compared to the Live Q30, this Soundcore Space One model A3035 has better active noise cancelling, better fast charging technology, and longer playtime in general. It also features up to 20 equalization presets via the Soundcore app, adjustable transparency mode, and all-around more flexible noise control. We got this pair for about $66 on Amazon, and it comes with an 18-month warranty. Now let's go ahead and see what we find here. Welcome to ShouldIT Headphone Series. Hello everyone, my name is Bê Nguyễn and welcome back to our ShouldIT Headphone Series. In this video, we're going to unbox this pair of headphones from Anker Soundcore to see what is in the package when you buy one online. We'll also be giving our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and its general features. So without further ado, we shall begin. Out here we have the headset itself, a charging cable from USB-A to USB-C, a 3.5mm aux cable, travel pouch, and user guide and user manual. First, this is a nice pouch, feel nice and strong. Now user guide and user manual, make sure to give this a good look to better understand the product's features and functionality. And there are quite a few with this, so make sure you do that first. Now before starting to use these headphones, make sure that the charge is full. It should take no longer than 2 hours for a full charge. Now these headphones themselves, these are incredibly well made, I have to say. All around high quality materials, and the attention to details is simply impressive. One of the best builds and designs we've examined so far, hands down. They fold up neatly as well, like that. And the ear cup are padded with quality memory foam and silky, comfortable cover. That feels nice on the skin. Yeah. Now this headset works with Soundcore app, available on Google Play and App Store. When paired via Bluetooth, use the app to customize equalization settings or adjust different noise cancellation profiles. And that's about it. Okay, now I will try these out to see how they work with my phones over here. I love listening to music, so let's see how good they are doing just that. Yes, now the blue is flashing. That means it is in pairing mode. I'll turn on Bluetooth on Android. And immediately, Soundcore Space One, connect. Yes, that's done. Now I'll try to use the Soundcore app. Now, add device. The Soundcore Space One. Click on that. Wearing guide. Thank you, I got it. Nice. So in here you can see all the different settings for the noise cancellation mode and the equalization. But right now I've just tried to do the multi-boy connection. Now for multi-boy connection, let's press this twice. Now it's flashing blue again. That means it is in pairing mode. I'll turn on Bluetooth on this iPhone and Soundcore Space One. And that's connected. So that's two phones on the same headphones. Now I will try listen to some music. Let's try some hip hop first. You know, stuff with a lot of low end.
Perfect.
That's pretty good. Now let's try some guitar music, with less bass, to see how natural the sound can go.
I can see a sea of alpine green, something that will stay with me.
Now sound quality is definitely on the higher ends of the market. Hip-hop music with a lot of bass sounds warm and punchy. Most importantly, it doesn't overwhelm the other frequencies. Acoustic instruments like guitars also translate really well. I really do enjoy how these sound. Now fit-wise, it's very comfortable on my head. Ear cups are very comfy, not tight on the ears, and the foam are high quality. Connecting Bluetooth is easy and hassle-free, whether it's Android or iOS. In short, these are some very high quality headphones that don't break the bank, especially when you enjoy the features being offered. And that was our first impression of these Soundcore Space Pro Bluetooth over-ear headphones. If you like a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos and give us a like or share if you enjoy them. And consider buying from the link in the description to support us if you're interested in getting these headphones. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in our next video.